Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! It demonstrates that the electron transport chain is functioning properly under normal light conditions. This makes it a positive control for measuring the effect of DCMU, which is option D. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when identifying controls.